For countless years, I've dreamed of having a van of my own. I've craved the freedom it provides and the mindful simplicity it encourages you to experience. While I've rented and borrowed, I feel there's no comparison to having a van of your own. I've longed for the ability to have every item I need within arm's reach, no matter how far from home I might be. I still have a home, an apartment that I love and that is necessary for the day-to-day moments I cherish, but the opportunities a van provides is unmatched, and I knew it was calling to me. It's been 4 months since I bought my beautiful blue van. At first, I felt like an imposter invading someone else's space. I didn't know what the full condition of the van was, and I barely knew how to use the equipment in it. The beds were made of sharp vinyl flooring that was not functional and did not feel like home, so this was the first item on my list to tackle. The removal of these bench tops was the first moment the van truly felt like mine. I felt the empowerment of knowing I had complete control over the van's functionality and design. While keeping the original layout of the van, I chose to simplify the sleeping setup using sheets of 3/4-inch plywood. After this simple change, I prioritized travel over making more changes to the van. Up until recently, I would rather take to the mountains than spend the weekend at home making changes to the van. And that brings us to today, the day where I finally needed to prioritize the van's longevity over my own desire to explore.
Whoa! Look! You can open the door beyond 90 degrees.
No, you only want it to be a little above the thickness of the material.
Woo! Oh no! The screws go through the board.
How long are these? You could maybe trade them out for the new screws you got.
Dude,
You good?
it's too small.
Like the head?
Yeah. All right.
The bed extension will definitely need some tweaks, but unfortunately, the van has an appointment with my mechanic to get some needed repairs. So I made the trek out to my mechanic down beautiful farm roads. The drive might be long, but I trust their skills and their honesty. My dad graciously picked up me and Nova, fed us dinner, and drove us home. For the next few weeks, while my van is in the shop, I get to focus on making memories close to home. I get to enjoy going places my van could never take me, around weekend crowds I would usually avoid if I had the option to go to the mountains. This week, I was reminded how much I love the weekend crowds and the community it brings together. When traveling solo, it's easy to miss out on these sorts of experiences, so I look forward to the coming weeks. but I do believe once my van is back, I'll be ready as ever to head back into nature, enjoying its peaceful solitude.